Hey guys, this video is for those people wondering how to borrow money from a SportyBet. Now you'll find a lot of fake videos about this. I want to set it straight that you cannot actually borrow money. What you can actually do is if you come to the top here, you'll see promotions. You can click on this and they have different promotions that they run. You can click on the all section. Now here, this one right here, you can go ahead and claim free bets and you get gifts up to this amount. It depends as per your country. And here you can see they have tournaments going on. Champions Tournament, you can claim this much on every Friday and Saturday. They run it this weekly. They also have crazy cashbacks going on. So if you get any losses, they give you 10% here. Here you can claim welcome rewards as well. So this is, in a way, free money. You can go ahead and you place your bet of this much and you get gifts, and these are guaranteed. You can come down here, you have different ways to boost your odds, and this is a tournament, a big one, which just ended recently as well. So that is how you can go about it. If you found this helpful, we appreciate the honesty. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.